Hello everyone, welcome to my GIS learning channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Miniconda and then how to install Jupyter Lab. In my next video I will show you how we can use Jupyter Lab to download OpenStreetMap data, for example building, road, etc. So let's start. First, in the Google you can search using this Miniconda and you will find this website address. Open this and from here you can download Windows installer or Mac installer, whatever you want. I have already downloaded this software. Here it is, Miniconda 3. Now I'm going to install it. So in order to do that I have to open it, then click on next, agree that, then next. Destination folder, I want it to install another drive, so I am changing the drive from here. Go to this PC, start the install software. Here I will make another folder, let's say Miniconda, and then I will select that folder, click OK, and then next and install it. Now the installation completed. Click on next, then finish it like this. And now from the start menu you will see this one, Anaconda prompt. Open it. Now you can check the Python version. In order to do that, just type Python, then hyphen version, then enter. Here it is Python 3.10.8. Now I will show you how to install Jupyter Lab package here. So before installing that, I will create a folder. You will see the created folder here under Miniconda ENVS folder. So in order to create a new folder, you have to just type conda create, then hyphen, then name, and name of that folder, let's say OSM data, then click on enter. In order to start the process, you have to just type Y, then enter. Now our folder is created. You will find that folder here, Miniconda ENVS folder. Here it is, OSM data. Now we have to activate that folder. In order to do that, just type conda activate OSM data, then enter. Now our folder is activated. I will install Jupyter Lab here. So in order to install Jupyter Lab, you have to type conda, then install, then hyphen, then C, then space conda, then hyphen force, and then space Jupyter Lab. After providing this code, you have to just type enter. Okay, here is all the package. The total size of the package is 100 MB. In order to start the process, you have to just type Y, then enter. Now it's going to install all the packages. Jupyter Lab is now installed. Now we can use it to download OpenStreet data. Before that, let's open the Jupyter Lab. In order to do that, just type here Jupyter Lab, then enter. So here is our Jupyter Lab. In my next video, I will show you how we can use the Jupyter Lab to download OpenStreetMap data. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more tutorial like this.